Hi guys and welcome back. So today we're going to be fitting a tow bar on this 2020 Tesla Model X. The first thing to note for this video is that I have timelined it, so if you want to skip any of these extra steps or if you know what the contents are, then feel free to do so. This is the same process from a 2016 Tesla Model X all the way through to a 2020 Model X. This will work in the EU as well as the United States and United Kingdom. The final addendum to that, I suppose, is the 2016 through to 2018 Tesla Model X. You had to purchase, it was an additional package called the towing package, whereas with the 2019 and 2020 Model X's, they had that towing package included in it along with a bunch of other packages. So just so you're aware, the other way that you can check if the tow bar is missing but you do have the towing package is that you can go onto the screen and you can look up trailer mode to see if trailer mode is available there. So first of all, this is the bag that you get inside with the Tesla if you've got the towing package. So in here what you'll find is an additional wiring loom, which I actually won't be covering today. You only need that for heavy braked trailers, so that allows you to add the braking onto it. So the wiring is all underneath the car for this, ready to plug in, but you would need to attach that anyway. Next thing you've got is the tow bar. So what you'll find is that the tow bar is pre-greased on here, and this is the end that goes up inside of the shaft, the receiving shaft on the inside. And then of course you've got your tow hitch itself, which has got this cover on it, just to keep it from getting any grease around. Mine is actually new. I've never done this before, I've never used it. So we're going to go ahead and get this ready to go. So when you first open up in here, you should have two keys. I'll show you one of these just now. You should have two keys. So this is one of them, for example. So you just have two of these, and what they do is you pull back this white cover and you pop a key in here. You can see there's a lock and unlock position. So this is the lock position, that's unlocked. So I've got it unlocked just now. You'll need it unlock in the unlock position in order to insert it into the bottom of the car. What you do first of all is you pop your key in here, you turn it it'll go in the lock position, and you just turn it over to the unlock position. You then pull this out towards you and you twist it until this little green arrow is in line here with the hitch pointing down the way. So that's it now, ready to install. So that's ready to be offered up in there. Okay, so our first step is going to be removing the panel here that protects everything. So it's important that you've got this back on when you're not using the tow bar, because you don't want to get too much dirt and grease, etc. in there. So the first step to remove this is using your flathead screwdriver. You just want to go and pop off these little plastic pieces here. They don't come all the way out, they are sunk in. So you just want to go ahead and remove those. Once you've got those, you should be able to go ahead and just pop the screwdriver in and just pull that out. Just like that. And also for when you're putting it back in, there's this lip here. So you want to be pushing it back in there, like that, and then pushing it back in. So once you're here underneath, what you can see is you've got this section here. This just pulls out. You'll see that this is greased up. So this is purely for the tow bar to be slotted in and out of neatly. So that's that piece out. Once you've done that, you are ready to offer up your tow hitch itself, which again is just as we discussed. So you want to be doing it basically like this and just offering up here. You want to be offer up the tow bar or the tow hitch there, and then you want to turn this over to the locking position. So you pull it out and turn in. You should feel it actually connect in. It doesn't click or make a sound, but you can see over here that the tow hitch is now in there. And I can put weight on it and it won't move anymore. It's completely in. So once you've done that, you just want to go back over to this side and you make sure that this is in the lock position, and then your key will just come out. So all you then need to do is connect up the electrics. So we're going to connect up the American socket here. It just offers into there. You push that in, and there's a little clip here. There's a little clip here. So this piece here has a little plastic overlay that stops that from being tugged out when you're trying to drive along. And that's it. You're ready to tow with the Model X. And so, as you can see now in the car, you can see actually it's already detected that the trailer's connected, just up here. We can go here and it's turned on trailer mode automatically. So that's it already on there, ready to go.